Today we are going to learn the different means of communication. So let's start. It's nearly impossible for us to go through a day without communicating with anyone. Now, you must be thinking, what is communication? Communication is sending and receiving information between two or more people. We communicate with people to share our thoughts and ideas. Communication is exchanging information using signals or by talk or by sharing thoughts or by gesture. Communication is expressing our ideas by writing or by sending emails or by talking. Sending messages to people who were located at distance was not so easy in earlier times. Those days, messages were sent from one place to another through messengers. Pigeons were also used to send messages in the earlier times. Pigeons used to flew to a particular person with a message tied to its foot. They were trained like that. Now, we will see what are the different means of communication. A device which is used to send or receive messages is called means of communication. Let's learn about some means of communication one by one. Talking or conversation. Conversation is the communication between two or more people. It can be a speech or an announcement. A talk can be with family or friends. Letters. A letter is a written message from one person to another. In old days, letters were the only reliable means of communication between two people who were located at different locations. Mobile phones and telephone. We can talk to our friends and relatives over mobile phones. Telephone is also used to make a call and send voice messages. Modern mobile phones allow us to send and receive messages, emails, images and videos. We can also use internet and play games and listen to music in mobile phones. Mobile help us to keep in touch with our near and dear ones. Email. We need a computer and an internet connection to send emails to our friends. We have to type the message on the screen in Gmail or Outlook, and then we can send it to our friends on their email ID. The message sent through email can reach the person in any part of the world in few seconds through internet. Newspaper. Newspaper is the most popular means of mass communication. Newspaper gives us information or news about the latest happening in any corner of the world. Television. Television is used to broadcast programs to a large number of people at a time. Television shows us the news of what is happening in our country and in the world. Radio. Radio is also an important means of communication and entertainment. When the information or messages are broadcast over radio that reach immediately to many people. We can hear news, speeches, music on radio. Books are also one of the means of communication, where a writer can convey his thoughts to the readers through his writing skills. So children, today we learned different means of communication.